You guys want to try this cool ice cream machine?
Yeah.
This looks pretty cool. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is pick which one we want to get.
It doesn't do that.
We're going to get the rainbow one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Alyssa, you're going to push A3. It says please make another choice. Uh-oh. Okay, try B3. There it goes.
I don't want these. Oh! Awesome. Whoa. It has something.
Cool, let me see. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, it does. So that's all we got. Nope. Let's open it up. David, do you know how to open it? Yeah, it's really cold. Oops, careful. And there's the spoon inside.
So tiny.
Yeah. How is it? Is it good? Is it good? Okay, you want to try some? Take a small bite. No, don't use your hands. Let's use the spoon.
That's really good. This is a tiny little ball.
It's a tiny spoon.
It's a big one.
Is it good? Can you try it? Yeah, it's cool, but it's ice cream. Oops. Zach, the spoon's upside down. Zach. There you go. Here. Just get a small amount so you don't spill it all. There you go. Is it good? That's cool, huh? Here, let me have it for a second. Let Mikey try some.
Mikey, what's your Mikey?
Mikey, you want to try it? Do you like it? Yes, everyone gets more.